We asked you to think about the problem called tidy boxes. Have you made any progress with it?
I haven't got very far. Perhaps you could begin by putting each color in its own box. Some colors would have less than 10 bricks, so all of that color would go in one box. But some colors would have more than 10 bricks, and we'd have to find a way to use the extra bricks to fill up the gaps in the other boxes. I can see a way to do that.
Okay, let's think about an easier problem to start with. If we had only one box and 10 bricks, all of the same color, could we solve the problem?
Yes, of course. You just put all 10 bricks in the one box, and it then contains only one color, so you don't even need the freedom to have two colors in a box.
Good. Now suppose you have two boxes and 20 bricks in two different colors. Could you solve the problem then?
It's still easy. You can just put the 20 bricks into the two boxes any way you like. Then each box might have a mixture of the two colors, but there are still only two of them.
So these small versions of the problem are easy. Let's go back to thinking about the original problem, with 10 boxes and 10 colors of brick. I wonder if, instead of starting to fill all the boxes as you suggested, we could begin by filling just the first box. Can we find a color with few enough bricks that we can put all of them in the first box?
You mean a color with 10 bricks or less? We can be sure such a color exists, because the average number of bricks of each color is 10. If all colors had more than 10 bricks, then they would all be above average, and that can't happen.
Right. So we choose a color that's below average, or equal to the average, and we put all of those bricks into the first box. Now there may be a gap to fill, and I'd like to find another color with enough bricks to fill the gap. Can I be sure of doing that?
What you could do is to choose a color with more than the average number of bricks. That color ought to be enough. The gap to fill must be 9 bricks or fewer, and the average is 10.
Excellent. So we've filled up a box by using all of one color and some of another color. Let's suppose we put a lid on that box and push it to one side. What do we get left?
There are 9 boxes left, and 90 bricks of 9 different colors.
So what should our next step be?
We can use the same approach as before, filling a second box by using all of a below-average color and some of an above-average color. By carrying on like this, we can eliminate the colors one at a time.
That's very good. How does the process end?
When we get down to one box, we will have only one color left, and that can all be put in the last box, as we said before.